we got some bad mojo because now this car won't start with our move. Turns over, but it doesn't want to start. So first thing we're gonna do is clean these terminals. You got your 6-in-1? Is that the bigger end?
Yeah.
Okay, pull that bit out. We gotta disconnect the negative terminal first, right here. See if I'll go on this nut. It's probably a number 10, so I don't think it's gonna fit.
Oh, the number 10.
Okay. That one was kind of tight to get to. All right, but now we're gonna get the positive off. There we go. And there we go. Okay, good. Okay, go on the other side. Go. What are you doing, Pete Maravich? There you go.
Tight. Nice and tight.
All right, I doubt we'll be that lucky, but here we go.